So hello everyone. Hi, this is Jaynesh Kothari here, and welcome back to our video of French. Students, what are we doing? This is lecture number 2 of our French grammar marathon. Okay, and I'm trying to upload all the videos on YouTube. Also, if you want to be a part of our regular batch, okay, I know we have just 3 to 5 days left for your exam, and if you want to be a part of our online live class where I'm taking this entire French grammar marathon every day, 4 hours. So, students, if you want to be a part of it and you want to revise your entire French grammar very quickly, then you can just drop me a hi on WhatsApp, and I'll tell you exactly how you can be a part of this online French grammar marathon live class. Okay, students. So this is just lecture number 2, and we are trying to cover each and every grammar topic in this entire marathon class. Okay, students. So, and I already have a certain number of students with whom I'm already conducting this class regularly. I'm taking class with them. I'm trying to record the videos, and also after that, I am going to put all these videos on YouTube. Okay, students. So let me know if you're looking for any such help. And let's get started now, students. We have students coming inside the class. I'm going to add them, and we're going to start the class. Okay, students, so we are going to start with subjunctive. First of all, let me just remind you what are the rules of subjunctive again. We have been doing the subjunctive many times. Rule number one, whichever verb you come across, always take the else form conjugation. Okay. Second, rule number two, you have to cancel ENT. And rule number three, then you have to add the endings. Can somebody tell me what are the endings of subjunctive, students? Anyone? Anyone? Endings of subjunctive. Come on, students, tell me what are the endings of subjunctive. Anyone?
E E S E
Very good. And
I O
then,
N S
perfect.
I E Z
Very good.
and E N T.
Very good. ENT, ENT. Okay. EESEE, IONS, IZ, ENT, ENT. Starting with the first one. But there are still some exceptions which you have to learn. Okay, students, if you don't have the exception list, you can drop me a message on WhatsApp. I will send you the exception list. Okay. The professor never is LF in the plural form. So SWA, SYENT, swab, that the students be absent. Learn the spelling, it's an exception. Okay. SOIENT. Next after that, je work Q dash Q the met sa nouveau jeans Q the METS Q the met. Okay, what do we have in first you do ENT, then drop ENT, else form ENT, and then ES. So guys, this has to be Q the met. Je veux que tu te mettes, METTES. This new jeans. Third one, nous voulons que vous dash. Again, passer will become passier. Drop ENT and add IEZ. We want that you pass the vacation with us. Elle prefers, she prefers that I dash it here. Je attend. Again, ENT, drop ENT, and then I'm going to put just E over here. Attend, okay? Je l'attend. Next after that, il préfère que tu PRENNENT, drop ENT, and then ES will come. Tu prennes la décision. Okay, students, you can just check now. I have written all the answers on the screen. You have 2 minutes, just copy it down, okay? All of you. So, students, you have to copy this nicely. And if you haven't yet copied, you can just take a screenshot, okay? Students, on the screen at the same time, since we are doing subjunctive, I will show you all the exceptions of subjunctive also, so that you can just learn it for the time being. Être, just learn the spelling. You can again take a screenshot or pause. And students, just learn all the spellings. These are really very important. These are the ones which repeatedly come in your board exam. So I'm assuming that at least this many you should learn it nicely, okay? Because être, avoir, savoir, pouvoir, vouloir, faire, aller. These are very common verbs that keeps coming, okay? Chalo. So again, students, if you want, you can take a screenshot. You can learn afterwards. I'm not pausing it right now, okay? I'm not waiting right now for you guys to learn, but this is compulsory that you have to learn. If you don't have the notes so far, just take a screenshot and then copy the notes in your book nicely. And if you already know this, it's amazing. That's perfect. Okay, you should obviously know this. Chalo. Let's move forward, students. Let's move forward now. Let's move forward. Now we're done with question number one. Students, I'm moving forward to question number two. Again, we have, what do we have? We have pronoun possessive. Students, do we know what is the table that we have for pronoun possessive? Yes or no? We have done pronoun possessive, all of us. Students, you want me to show you on the screen the pronoun possessive table once? So since we're doing this, I'll just show you the table on the screen, okay? Pronoun possessive. Everybody can just go through it for a minute. Okay, take a minute again, learn the pronoun possessive table. And if you want, you can take a screenshot of this, okay? Again, at the same time, take a screenshot, students. Les pronoms possessifs. Le mien, le tien, le sien, le notre, le votre, le leur. La mienne, la tienne, la sienne, la notre, la votre, la leur. Les miennes, les tiennes, les siennes, les notre, les votre, les leur. And last is les miennes, les tiennes, les siennes. And the same, les notre, les votre, les leur. You have 1 minute, just copy this down. Okay. So students, I'm assuming again you have this table. By any chance, if you don't have this table, you can of course take a screenshot. Okay. Chalo. So what are we doing right now? We are solving. Okay. We are solving starting with the first one. Claude se dispute avec sa sœur. Okay. So we are talking about sister, feminine singular. Claude is fighting with her sister, but me, I never fight with mine. Okay. I never fight with mine, and in feminine singular. Students, tell me what will be the answer in feminine singular? Feminine singular. What will be the answer? Feminine singular, je form, okay? Mine. Students, what will be the answer? Tell me.
Lamia.
Very good, la mienne. Okay, everybody has to speak. Come on, be fast, okay? La mienne. It is very easy now. Feminine singular, la mienne. Second, nous faisons toujours nos devoirs. Okay, we are talking about the noun. We always do our homework. Homework is masculine plural. So you should know, okay? It's masculine plural. We always do our homework, but they don't do their. Now tell me, students, what is the word for theirs in masculine plural?
Le.
Masculine. Very good. Laylor. Amazing. Okay, perfect. Next, third one. Je demande à la secrétaire le récipient et mon ami aussi elle demande. Guys, I am asking to the secretary the recipe. Okay, recipe is masculine singular. And my friend also, she's asking hers. I am asking the secretary the receipt. It's in the receipt. And my friend also, she's asking hers. So I'm asking about receipt, no? She's asking for the receipt. Receipt is masculine singular, so I'm going to write le cn. Okay, students, masculine singular, the receipt. That's why it is going to be le cn. Don't look at this part and get confused. Don't look at this part and confused. What is common? I am asking for the receipt. She is also asking for the receipt. So receipt and receipt is common. So you have to look at the word receipt, which is masculine singular. Is that okay, students? Fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Ma mob ne marche plus. What is mob? God knows, I don't know what is mob. But it says my mob is no longer working. So give me. Now guys, this give me is in tu form. It's a command, okay? Command can be given in tu, nu and vu form. So I'm giving a command to the second person. My mob is no longer working. Give me yours. Tell me yours, feminine singular. What will be the answer? Yours in feminine singular. What will be the answer, students?
Latien.
Latien. Perfect, Latien. Okay. Going with the next one. Students, if anyone has any doubt, please ask me. Okay. Feel free to switch on your mic and talk to me any point of time. Je parle de mes études. I am speaking about my studies. Guys, studies is masculine plural, okay? But still, let me just check for a minute. Etude. It's very important, okay? In board exam, you will not get a chance to go and check anywhere. So you have to be very much sure which word is masculine or feminine. So this is feminine plural. Mes études, feminine plural. I am speaking about my studies and they are speaking about theirs. So leur. This is feminine plural. Done. So students, here we have completed entire exercise number 2. Chalo, copy this down quickly. I'm going to give you some time. Students, if you have any doubt anytime, please feel free to ask me doubts. Okay, no problem. Okay, students, so we are done with 5 sentences over here. Let's move forward now on question number 2. 3 we're not doing. We don't have gerundive right now. Okay, let's do negative, students. Question number 4, it says negative. So let's get started, students. For negative also, we have some rules. Yeah. So starting the first one. Sheila and Avni se écrivent toujours. Always right. Okay. Always right. So Sheila and Avni se écrivent. So I have to do negative. Okay. No. Se écrivent. Guys, toujours means always. What is the opposite of toujours? Can somebody tell me what is the opposite of toujours?
Sir, jamais.
Jamais. Very good. Jamais. Okay. Never. So Sheila and Avni. I have written the short form of Sheila and Avni. You have to write full form. Sheila and Avni never write. Okay. Never write themselves. Number 2, my sister a beaucoup mangé. My sister ate a lot. So ma SOEUR. Sir n'a pas mangé beaucoup. Okay. What's the word? N'a pas mangé assez. I'm going to just change the beaucoup to assez. Okay. N'a pas assez mangé. Okay. So assez means not enough. My sister ate a lot. My sister did not eat enough. If you don't change it, even that's okay. Okay, even if you just keep it master, napa, manger, beaucoup is also okay. But over here, students, what I've done, I have written na pas assez manger means did not eat enough. Third one, someone called me yesterday evening. Quel kiya? Guys, now someone, okay, whenever the sentence starts with negation, if a sentence starts with negation, okay,
Persona.
very good. Whenever, sorry, when a sentence starts with negation, the rule says, students, what does the rule says? The rule says, first of all, we put negation and then plus we do no, plus we do verb, and then the entire sentence same. Okay, this is the rule, students, when a sentence starts with negation. So someone called me. So the opposite of someone will be no one. Okay, what's the word for no one? What's the word for no one, students?
Person.
Okay, it's going to be person. Person, and then no will come. Person, no, ma, and everything else will remain same. Okay, telephone. No one, here, swal. No one called me yesterday. No one called me yesterday. Okay, person number telephone here. Done. There will be e over here. Okay. Now fourth one. J'ai mangé des escargots et des. Now whenever there is two things, students, which negation do we put whenever there are two things? Tell me that. Which negation do we put? Any guess? Je n'ai pas mangé. Students, which negation I am good? I ate snails and tweezers.
Nina.
Very good. No,
Ni.
So whenever there are two things, okay, students, can you see? Esca. So I will use neither nor. Je n'ai mangé ni escargot et ni CUISSES the GRENOUILLES grenouille. Okay, je n'ai mangé ni escargot et ni quiz the grenouille. Done. And going with the last one, students, last one is aim le livre et le film. Again, they love book and the film. Again, when there are two things, I don't have option, guys. I have to go with the same thing. They love book and film. Il ne aime ni le livre. You can put ni le livre et ni le film. Okay, that's okay. If you put article, you don't put article, that's okay. Okay. Chalo. Students, copy this down. Your time starts now.